Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. If you're new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. We do a lot of different videos, from cold process soap to melt and pour soap to other bath products like body butters. So definitely would like to have you stick around and be part of more of my videos. So today we're going to be doing a melt and pour project. I call it my Garden Sunrise soap. It's a flower shaped soap, and I use a goat's milk base and then some different essential oils as far as scenting it. So what we're going to start off with is I have some of the goat's milk base in the bowl here with a little bit of a yellow color block from brambleberry. So I'm going to go ahead and get that melted, and then we're going to start with getting it in the mold. All right, so I have just a little bit of the goat's milk melt and pour melted in my bowl here with that yellow color block, and I'm just stirring it to get the color block combined with the rest of the base. Okay, and we're going to use this to help simulate an actual flower. So I have it all stirred together now, and I'm just going to take a dropper and pull up some of the base. And then right here in the center of my mold, I'm going to start dropping the color in. I do also have a bowl of really hot water here just in case this gets clogged. It's going to set up really fast since it's such a small amount of soap. So you just keep sucking it up and trying not to let it get on other parts of the mold, because we only want the center to be yellow. And this is just kind of a fun soap for spring. Winter always is so dreary and kind of blah that I know I am ready for spring. So I'm ready for those flowers and fun colors, just ready for spring. So I have all of my yellow soap in, and then I'm just gonna give it a quick little spritz to get rid of the air bubbles. And I'm gonna clean up any that came outside of that middle section that is the I think stamen or pollen part of the flower. And then we'll go ahead and get the rest of our soap melted. All right, so I have my 8 ounces of goat's milk melt and pour melted, along with the electric bubblegum color block, which since it's a white base, it's gonna mellow that color out a whole lot. And so it won't be super, super bright, but it'll be a nice, fun pink for our flower here. So I'm just gonna get that all stirred up here. And then as far as the fragrance, I'm doing an essential oil blend. And it is a blend of cedarwood, clove, lemon, and orange. And it's a really fragrant, spicy kind of essential oil smell. Go ahead and get that in. And it's a little over 2 milliliters. And I'll leave the exact amount in the description box below. There will be a complete recipe. Okay, so we got that added in. We'll go ahead and get that stirred. There we go, that's looking good. All right, so now I'm gonna take this and go ahead and pour it into my mold here. is looking great there. And then I'm just gonna spritz the top with rubbing alcohol, and that just gets rid of those little air bubbles. And then I'm gonna let this set. It'll set for 2 to 4 hours. Once it's completely cooled, we'll come back and pop it out of the mold. All right, and we are back to unmold. And they turned out really well. You can see the middle is completely yellow, and then we got the nice contrasting pink. Looks just like a flower, and it smells great with all the citrus and then the clove and the cedarwood. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. And until next time.